As you likely already know, glutathione is one of my favorite supplements. I am a big antioxidant fan. I wrote a whole book on antioxidants. And glutathione is the body's most powerful antioxidant, known as the master antioxidant. It helps protect us from those bad guy free radicals, supporting detoxification, immunity, anti-aging, and so much more. Okay, so how do you know which glutathione supplement to select? There are so many options for supplementation. I actually change up my supplement routine often. But for glutathione to be beneficial, it's got to get into the cells. Makes sense, right? Okay, so getting compounds like glutathione into cells intact isn't as easy as you may think. Relying on your digestive tract to absorb glutathione means that it's broken down via that normal digestive process, and then it needs to be rebuilt to get into the cells. And you can do this, absolutely, but there's another way to go, and that's to use a supplemental delivery method that bypasses that whole digestion thing, keeping the glutathione molecule intact. So liposomal delivery, like this one right here from Quicksilver, I take 2 pumps like this, does this in an effective way to get supplemental glutathione into the body intact. So this one again uses a liposomal delivery technology that makes these small stable particles using high grade quality ingredients. They absorb quickly into the